Okay, progress. Here we go. Injection pump is in. Timing belt is on. The pump timing is set correctly. And I have the injectors in, which I think the injectors were in the last video. So, where the old one started leaking, of course I took my handy dandy pointer, so I'll have to try this. So, this is the rotor head. This is the distributor head on the pump. There are a set of lines back here, which are not hooked up yet. It was leaking between this and the pump body. So the seal right there had failed. So that's what was wrong with that. Unfortunately, I'm now hung up waiting on intake gaskets. I can't even put the timing cover on. There's a bracket piece that goes right here, and it happens to bolt on this side of the intake, not on the underside. So that bracket is where one of the bolts for the timing cover is. So I'm going to have to wait to get the intake on before I can put this piece in so I can put the cover on, which is also why the plumbing is apart. You know, belts are off, all that fun stuff. So pretty much I'm at a stopping point here, but I got the motor closed up. I'll put another wad of paper towel in there. That's the oil vapor separator, which goes to, I think the hose is actually off. There's a hose connection down there somewhere. Yeah. So anyway, that's about it. I'm stuck waiting on parts. So till parts come in, I think we're gonna call it a day. It is hot, I am sweaty, and I've been working on this for long enough. Cheers.